Hello everybody, I am Machampions Digivolved, and we're coming back with Pokemon Xenoverse. So in the last episode, what we did was we explored the town a little bit. We got the quest to help that kid, and we got some of the gift Pokemon that they kind of pop up when you install the game. So those codes are all valid. You can use them. You playing along. If you guys are playing Pokemon Xenoverse, by all means, you go up to your menu, you hit S on the keyboard, brings you up, you type in the codes. Let's see. All right, so we're rocking Papillon. We got our X whatever Sharpedo, X antigen, I don't know, Elekid, that looks like a bomb, Bremond, Yemen, and Trishelle. So we're gonna go through this cave here. I don't know what I'm going to be looking for or what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm gonna run into an Onyx. I'm terrified of an Onyx. Terrified. Actually, I really am, because Bremond is a electric type mon. What is that? I touch. Ooh. Reindeer. Oh. Hit him with a pound. Play nice. Okay. I'll play nice. Don't worry. Pound! Playing it. Pound! Every time I'm hitting it, it's hitting me with play nice. Oh, that's fairy wind. Hey, we resisted though. Pound! Alright. Enough of that. Enough of that nonsense. We're gonna go ahead and throw a Pokeball at it. Oh, you stay in the Pokeball. What part of us resists? Fairy. Throw a Great Ball at it. Why not? Give it a shot anyway. 3. Hey, we got Reindeer. Get it? Reindeer? It is a fairy type. Straight up fairy type. It judges the behavior of other Pokemon, then marks them with tags. It rewards with a gift those who have been nice. But what about those who have been naughty? Naughty. Can I add it? No, okay. Send it to the PC. It's fine. Frost Breath. Okay. Cool. I think. Pokemon Den! Yeah, send Trish out. We haven't seen one of these in a while. Oh. Aha, I figured it out. I just can't get caught. Oh, there's nobody here. I got a Razor Claw. Now, I completed the Pokemon Den. And just like that, into the Lion's Den. Is there more that I can find? There is not. Let's go then. Thank you, Trishout. You are an absolute champion, you know that? I hope you do. Oh? Blingrim. That's cool. That is creepy as all get out. That is not very effective. We're at the same level. I shouldn't kill it. Fury SWAT. That is broken. That is completely broken. Okay. Okay. So, if you guys didn't catch what happened, it hit me with Fury Swipes, but it's got the ability called Poison Touch. So, it's kind of like Poison Point, where it gets touched, it poisons the other party. Well, this one's on the attacking side. So, it essentially one-shotted Steel and Poison. Okay, think about that. It's quad weak to ground. Quad weak to ground. It takes away the resistance of steel to psychic and makes it neutral. But it also reduces the super effectiveness of fighting on steel to a neutral as well, because poison resists. I'm trying to think. It's like quad effective against fairy types. Resist dragon. Ice. Yeah, I want to say the ground type is the only thing you really need to worry about. Yeah, not bug, grass. Electric's neutral. Fire. Fire is still super effective. But it's only 2 times, not 4 times. Okay. That's cool. That is an interesting typing. I don't think I've ever seen... Is there anybody that's that type? I don't know. I've got to actually look that up. There are none. That is crazy. I don't think there are any. Huh. Yemen, level 9. Learn focus energy. Hooray. Alright, you're gonna not want to fight me? Roper? You need to go back to the entrance, just ask me. Okay. Thank you. I think. I don't know. Appreciate it, though. Harden. This might be a good place to get some experience for Yemen. I've come to decide. I mean, it's... from what I'm gathering, steel types, rock types, probably ice types, except for that fairy type. That was a weird thing we ran into. Alright, we take the Onyx down again. What's up, bro? I think I gotta talk to you, don't I? Or I get into a random encounter with a Bergmite. Seriously? I don't want you. I don't want you. Yeah. Get one-shotted. Oi, Machamp! Ah, yeah, my job is nothing but research on the Pokemon in this cave. And you? Have you helped that kid yet? Oh, you're a jerk. You're in the cave. Ew. Blingrim. I like it. I do. Watch. So not super effective. Neutral. Because of that poison typing. It takes away one of the weaknesses. Yes, you sacrifice being quad weak to ground. But I mean, is that really any different than Aggron? And a Sneasel. Sneasel. You're a speedy boy, though. Oh, get wrecked. Level 10 for Yemen. And we got a Quick Claw. And we got a Rare Candy. I'll take all of those. Let's see. Got a Razor Claw. Quick Claw. They can make certain X Pokemon evolve, huh? Visual update. So this is the one that, oh, nobody's able. Okay. I got a feeling that it might have something to do with, like, Elekid when it evolves, into Electabuzz. And then, okay. No! Use. Okay. Let's up Yemen. So, I wonder if this trick will work. This is an old Pokemon trick. From way back in Red and Blue. But if you... Nah, it doesn't. They fixed it! So, if you used to use a Rare Candy on a dead Mon, like you didn't have any revives or anything like that, all you do is use a Rare Candy, and the Rare Candy revives the Pokemon. And it does that because it increases the health of that Pokemon. The stupid Hickaloo will make us rich, hee hee. We're gonna buy a whole candy shop with the ransom money, hee hee. Kiloo! Oh, that's a cool mon. I like that thing. Is it a double battle? Min and Mun? Minimum? Oh, crap. Okay. Crap. Okay. I want to attack that thing. And I want you to attack. I'm attacking the wrong Mon. Crap. Well, there goes that strategy. I'm a dummy. Yuri's wipes! Yeah, you're gonna die there, Yemen. We'll send out... No, let's send out Papillon! Papillon! I'm gonna Ember the right one this time. So yes, still super effective with the fire, which is fine. Oh, you pest. Hypnotize him. Ember! I'm yelling, Ember! Thank you. Put him to sleep. Yeah, jerk. Constrict him. Ember him. Now, the sound is resisted by Psychic. Fusion. Ember. Take out the Drowsy now. That thing's a pest. Could have said you were this strong. Retreat. You found Wolfie's Hickaloo. Better get it back to its rightful owner. Alright. I saved the Hickaloo. Enchant Mr. Taraxo told me to give you this as a reward. Peresium H? What is that? Yummy Rocks. I didn't get what he said, but he was talking about smashing rocks with a glove. Oh! Okay. So apparently that's how that little glove thing is going to work, as HMs. The trap inch is pictured on it. Now, I should... Maybe not that rock. I need a breakable one. No. Not over here. Nope. No. This one. Not that one. Never mind then. There's something. This one. Can I break this one? What do I do to use it? Nope, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I don't know. I have no idea. I really don't. How do I use it? I probably should have paid more attention, right? Probably. Might have been a good idea. Alright, but there's a Pokemon Center here. So what we're going to do is we're going to heal up, and then we're going to call it for today. So if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Do not forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. But you guys go out there and be Machampions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.